Hello friends, today we are going to make a very simple and super tasty fish pulao. This recipe is special for those who love fish but are tired of eating the same kind of curry or fried fish every day. In this pulao, you will get the aroma of rice, the flavor of fish and perfect blend of spices that will make everyone remember its taste again and again. The best part is it's super easy to make with no extra effort and no long process. If you are seafood lover, then this dish definitely deserves a place in your weekend menu. So let's not waste any time and start the recipe right away. First we will prepare the masala paste for both marination and gravy. Take 2 tomatoes and to this add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon green chili paste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon fish masala powder, salt as per taste, 2 green cardamoms, 1 small stick of cinnamon and 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Now add a little water and grind everything together in a mixture grinder. So here our masala paste is ready. You can see this is the consistency we need. We will apply this paste over the fish and also use it later to make the gravy. Now let's marinate the fish. You can take any fish of your choice. First squeeze half a lemon over the fish pieces. Then sprinkle a little salt over them. Now coat the fish well with lemon juice and salt from both the sides. After that, apply the masala paste we just prepared. Coat each fish pieces evenly with the masala from both the sides. When the fish pieces are nicely coated, leave them to marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we will fry the fish. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. When the oil turns slightly hot, place all the fish pieces in it. Fry the fish on medium-high flame from both sides until golden. Once one side is done, flip the pieces and fry them from the other side as well. When all the pieces are perfectly fried, remove them from the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil again and add 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Keep stirring and fry the onions until they turn translucent. Now we will add the remaining masala paste that we kept aside earlier. Continue stirring and saute the masala well. You will notice oil starting to separate from the masala and the raw smell will go away. Once it is perfectly cooked, set it aside too. Now let's prepare the flavorful rice. In a kadhai or deep pan, take 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the following whole spices: half tablespoon cumin seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 3 cloves. Fry until the onions turn golden brown. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic and spicy green chili paste. This will give your rice an amazing flavor and aroma. Fry the paste for few seconds while stirring continuously. Now add 2 cups of basmati rice washed and soaked for 1 hour. You can use any rice of your choice. After adding the rice, pour about 4 cups of water so that the rice cooks perfectly. Add salt to taste. Here I am adding around 1.5 tablespoons. Now add some finely chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix everything well. Cook the rice uncovered until it is 50% cooked. Then cover the pan and let it cook until it is 80% done. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you will see that the rice is about 80% cooked. There is still a little water left at the bottom and the rice is soft but not completely done. Now remove half of the rice from the pan and keep it aside. Spread the remaining rice evenly at the bottom of the pan. Now add half of the cooked masala over the rice. Then place 3 to 4 pieces of fried fish on top. Sprinkle some chopped coriander and mint leaves over it. Next, add the remaining half of the rice over the fish layer and spread it evenly. Place the remaining fish pieces on top. Then spread all the leftover masala evenly over the fish and rice. Finally, sprinkle some more chopped coriander and mint leaf on top. Cover the pan and steam cook it on a very low flame until the rice is completely done. After about 3 to 4 minutes of steaming, our super delicious, simple and flavorful fish pulao is ready. Try this recipe once in this way. I'm sure you will love it. Do comment and tell me how you liked it. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel.